This is a second seating chart pattern that we're going to look at. And the shape of these tables are rhombuses. So this rhombus, one table can sit 4 people. One can seat 4 people. 2 tables can seat 6 people. And 3 tables can seat 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So the question will only give you this, and I'll ask you to come up with an equation and how many people can sit with 4 tables and how many people can sit with 5 tables. So what I propose that we do is write out a table so that we can kind of look for a relationship. And we're going to use y equals mx plus b. Now some of you can look at this and already come up with some equation, and that's great. But many of my students have asked me to come up with some type of standard way of coming up with an equation. So I thought we could try this. Okay, so P is now, y is now P. Our slope, we're not sure yet, but T is X, and we have B. Now, I like to know what the change in the y is. So the change in y here is plus 2, plus 2. It's consistent. The change in the t is plus 1, plus 1. So if you remember in algebra, the slope is the change in y over the change in x. And in this case, it's 2 over 1, which is 2. So for trial and error, we can already plug in that P, in this case 4, equals 2, the slope we already know is 2, times T plus B. So we just have to ask ourselves, 2 plus what equals 4? We can plug in 2. Let's see if it works for the next equation. 6 equals, the slope is 2, times 2 plus 2. Again, that checks out too. 4 plus 2 is 6. Here we'll try 8 equals 2 times 3 tables plus 2, which works out. So we can conclude that our equation is P equals 2 times T plus 2. And in order to find out how many people can sit at 4 tables and 5 tables, we can just plug in 4 for T in our equation, and we will get 10 and 12.